Hey girls, so today it's uh, Christmas haul. What did I get? And so this time I have many gifts than the Christmas party. What did I got from the Christmas party? And my friend in PCC gave me a gift, so I'm gonna go through this because she didn't give me earlier Christmas. So yeah, so we're gonna do it again, but today we're gonna do smallest to biggest. So yeah, and first I have these, so you remember Angie. I'm gonna name this Angie, shortcut for Angel. I love this pen. And next, going to show a lot of things here. Ooh. My notepad, and I'm going to show you the name of the bear, my teddy bear, cute pink teddy bear that I wish so grandma. And next I have this one that I told you about earlier, and I love this, and I have many of these because my friend from Santa Nina Parish, that's a section, she's grade 14, and she gave me 5 of these, so the 4 should be a giveaway, so watch the natural and made up look. So yeah, watch that. It's pink, and I wanted this for a month now. So thank you. Next, I'm gonna. Oh, I forgot these one. Flower had another wish for. Shania gave me these, and I'm gonna. Kristen gave me these. Francine gave me these. This one, and Ava gave me this one. And next, this from the exchange gift, and I got Simon Small. And just watch what I got for Christmas party, so you know the names there. So isn't he cute? Oh yeah, the contest is over, and if you remember from my previous video, so sorry you didn't make it. No subscribers, no comment, no likers, so yeah, sorry. That's your fault, you didn't follow me or like. Next is from Jewel. Oh yeah, this is from Erin, so yeah. And this is my picture, especially for you. And I'm gonna put this in my new wall. I mean my new room. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to have another cool review. Or Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Happy Holidays. So bye. So yeah, bye.